You've had quite a bit to drink.
Become part of the family.
The Dreamscape Sales Store. Dr. Ed, at your service. Trailblazer of the Astral Express. Here we are again. So you've got two friends with you. Well, they seem like fun people.
Hello, Edward. I'd like my friends to try something fun, if you know what I mean.
Be my guest. Dr. Edward welcomes anyone who's ready for some excitement. How about we use your dreamscape, sir?
A superb idea, sir. Let's do it. The one from last night would be perfect.
What's going on?
This is a service we offer to long-time customers. You can submit dreams you've recently had to me. With relevant emotion prototypes, I'll be able to turn them into customized dream worlds that can be experienced repeatedly.
Exactly. Looks like you've got the picture. You've probably woken up from a dream one time and wished you could just go back to dreaming it, right?
A dream I wished I could have continued after waking up.
Miss Firefly, I admire your eagerness, but please be patient. Allow me to use my dream as a demonstration.
I trust you have prepared all the necessary materials. Please, hand them over to me. Your donation is appreciated. The retrieval is complete. Calibrate the memoria and generate the dream bubble. It's ready. Please close your eyes and rest your forehead against the dream.
Jump on in, friend. I wish you a pleasant time.
Ugh, where's this?
Is this the clinic in the Bellabog underworld? Why is it empty?
This is a surprise that will be revealed later. You have to remember, in a dream, anything is possible. Oh, no need to be hasty now. You should take a moment to get used to the feeling of being in a dream within a dream.
Is this another note?
Well, I have no idea. I didn't come here when I had this dream. Stop nitpicking the details. If you ask me, I'd say you should take a look outside, but don't get frightened by what you see.
What? What is happening?
Esevu ashatana, esa pokora hataya. Have you heard? I heard all you rama. Love you better. Have you better? Eshibera how? Have you about it? Papa rapidity. Paparatata, he coparapatava, hayara tataya. He abarahava, to abaratata, hamahara hampa. Hashu, habaratita baraba, to debrabukutada, habara papa, he baraba, he cash barado, and barado ba. But I always better. Who have a tattoo, but under the better. Halala, what a better to better, what a better, but I can die. I say, and but I can get it a bada. Harabata, to the better shoe, tata. Ha, will a better dinga that a bada, haratata baratata.
To say that you're the only one who can unite these, trash cans and lead their battle against the evil king. Or something like that.
Ha! Superapata!
Dr. Edward said he didn't have time to make any alternative storylines. Just accept it.
Usapata. Habarata, Hanabatu, Habata. Esebatu, Halabata, Habadaturabata Sarata. Habadu, Sabata, Husabara de Dodu.
I'm confused.
Kotakoki Kalako. Kokaki. Kalakula. Duda Dida. Kiriko Kashinoa. Sakokiga. Tulilala. Yeah. Kaligulaga. Kiga. Koligala Kalago. Kakiga.
Ugaha Noncha Ara Kaparana Ka? Kapara Naratara Ukaka Mo maha apa sakata. Son gomo apa rurada. Hagamama.
Converge and awaken.
Your answers? Answer me.
Eternal. Every petal in life's garden, all will be swept away by the wind. All things in this world have their laws. Human creations! It came together.
Test. 0 points.
Yin and yang.
Stay back, Clara. Hide. I'm asking.
There's more to life. Existence is unity.
Are you all right?
Yin and yang.
Stay back, Clara.
やったら。
なるただ。墓がまた。
もうよ。もうよはどうわのか。とろとろわのからこらか。ちょのちょのちこなどらこ。
提手东卡卡，多一个嘞，我个记。誰だと、誰だただば、这个，誰だ这个，これまかだか。誰だと、誰だ誰ば、葡萄，加了这加了个，头一枚怕了啦。
ののがい。ののがいたにまにがおだこきごまいかごのもおなおきごなおまどまかが
おパパとよねいれぎま。
おどかのもがいちこののかが
いらはらこからきか。
I finally collected 3 proofs of trust. Let's go back and deliver them.
어서! 운세파 해세페. 야, 고자발 하여라. 자비라 아야. 고데베 저다 에사베두 아야.
Is this where the final battle will take place? Not sure how I feel about this. Such a tragic scene. Didn't they say the Garbage King would wait for me here? Have I been set up?
What a bummer. I was really looking forward to seeing how our friend was going to overthrow the Garbage King. What a huge pity. Such a meaningful dream came to an abrupt halt because of Miss Firefly. I was looking forward to seeing your face when the truth dawned on you. Trying to say? I'm not saying anything. I just want to reveal the truth. Don't you want to find out the truth behind the dream? Don't let all that pretty scenery in the dream world distract you from your goal. As soon as you get complacent, you lose sight of the truth. Don't you think this dream bubble looks really similar to modern-day Penacony? A small stage is crowded with a bunch of scheming people. None of them want to be exposed under the spotlight. You're not at home anymore, kid. You've wandered into the depths of the unknown. Let me put it to you straight. Don't let yourself get enticed by that glowing light. I'm going to be very disappointed if you get bamboozled by the likes of them. Same as always, pal, if you still don't get it. Just turn around and take a look. Is that girl still here? She claims to be a local, but doesn't know how this world works. All she's got is street smarts. Who exactly is she? You don't find her the least bit suspicious? You better hurry up and confront her if you have any questions. Don't let her off scot-free. See you around, pal. Don't let me down.
What did Sampo mean? Is Firefly hiding something? I must find her and demand an explanation from her. She shouldn't be too far off.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space.